Come test drive the 2021 Atlas Cross Sport. The Volkswagen Atlas Cross Sport screams luxury. With its eloquent exterior body lines and its plethora of interior features, this is surely a vehicle you'll want to take a look at. This vehicle has less than 80,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: rain-sensing wipers, rear spoiler, panoramic roof, heated mirrors, aluminum wheels, power lift gate, daytime running lights, fog lamps, front-wheel drive, privacy glass. Come see the car for yourself.